My first hole in one. Yes.
Oh.
Don't say it.
Larry, nothing but the bottom of the cup.
Yeah, that's the ball.
Yeah. My ball.
Wait. Let me get a picture of this. All right, here we go. You're going to smile. You reach in for the ball, and then you smile, okay?
Yes.
And you think this is good.
Just take the picture.
All right.
What kind of camera is that? Would you not point that at me, please, and close the lens cap?
Where'd he go?